Belina me ke aloha, I'm Kumu coming to you from Huaʻōlelo on the island of Moloā. And our ʻōlelo noʻeau for Manaʻo Monday is mai makaʻu I ka hana, makaʻu I ka moloā. Let's say it all together. Mai makaʻu I ka hana, makaʻu I ka moloā. And that translates to don't fear work, fear laziness. So important. I even used to sing this song that we sing in all the immersion classrooms to remind the keiki that laziness is never rewarded. It was actually frowned upon, and it's still frowned upon. You have to contribute, you have to be productive, you have to be industrious. And it just leads to a happier lifestyle and life for everybody. So the song goes like this. Mai makaʻu I ka hana, makaʻu I ka moloā. Ea, 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 ea. Our ha'awina ʻōlelo Hawaii is how to say, oh, I was startled or surprised. E hoʻopili wai, repeat after me. Pūʻiwa. One more time. Pūʻiwa. So sometimes you'll hear in conversations, I know I use it, I'm like, oh, you went pūʻiwa me, I got so pūʻiwa, yeah? You would surprise me, or watch out, you might get pūʻiwa. You might be startled or surprised. So one more time, let's say it together. Pūʻiwa. Aoia, maikaʻi.